The Lennox mini split error code H6 indicates an indoor fan motor feedback failure. This means the system's control board isn't receiving the correct signal from the indoor fan motor. This prevents the unit from operating, usually with the fan not spinning or the system shutting down completely. This is a common issue in Lennox Elite Series and XC Series mini splits. This video will guide you through understanding and addressing this error. The indoor fan motor uses a tachometer in older models or a Hall effect sensor in newer ones to report its rotational speed to the control board. This feedback loop is crucial for proper operation. The tachometer or Hall effect sensor detects the motor's speed and sends a signal back to the control board, creating a feedback loop that monitors performance. If the signal is missing or erratic, such as when motor speed drops below a certain threshold like 100 RPM, the system triggers the H6 error as a safety measure. This prevents motor burnout or further damage by halting operation when the system cannot confirm the fan is running properly. Before diving into more complex solutions, start with the basics. First, power cycle the unit by turning it off and on again. This simple step can reset temporary glitches and restore normal operation. Next, check for any loose wiring connections to the indoor fan motor and control board. Loose connections can interrupt the feedback signal, triggering the error code. Ensure the air filter is clean, as a clogged filter can restrict airflow and strain the motor. Regular cleaning prevents unnecessary motor stress. For smart models, check the Lennox Prodigy app for error history and try a system reset through the app. A simple reset can sometimes resolve the issue, especially after a power surge. If the reset doesn't work, visually inspect the fan motor for any signs of damage or obstruction. Look closely at the motor housing, blades, and wiring connections for visible wear, cracks, or blockages that could prevent proper operation. Next, check the capacitor connected to the motor. A faulty capacitor can prevent the motor from starting by failing to provide the initial electrical boost needed for the motor to begin rotation. Inspect for bulging, leaking, or discolored casing. Use a multimeter to test the motor windings and sensors for continuity. Set the multimeter to the continuity mode and check for proper electrical flow through the motor's internal components. A lack of continuity indicates a break in the circuit that needs repair. Look for corrosion, especially on the sensor, which is a common issue in humid environments. Corrosion can interfere with the sensor's ability to provide accurate feedback to the control board, triggering the H6 error. Clean or replace corroded components as needed. A technician will typically check for continuity in the motor's 5-pin connector. This connector links the motor to the control board, and any loose or damaged pins can cause feedback failures. Ensure all pins are secure and free of debris. Common causes of the H6 error include loose wiring, capacitor failure, motor degradation due to dust buildup, and voltage fluctuations. For loose wiring, inspect all connections and ensure they are secure. Check for corrosion and use a multimeter to verify continuity in the motor's wiring. For capacitor failure, look for bulging, leakage, or corrosion. Replace the faulty capacitor with an identical one to restore proper motor function. Motor degradation from dust buildup can be addressed by carefully cleaning the motor assembly. Use compressed air or a soft brush to remove accumulated dust without damaging components. For voltage fluctuations, verify the unit is receiving correct and stable power. Problems like voltage sags, swells, or transients can disrupt motor feedback and trigger the H6 error. For corrosion, clean contacts with a specialized electrical cleaner. Additionally, firmware updates available through the Lennox Prodigy app can fix sensor calibration problems and prevent false H6 triggers. If you've tried basic troubleshooting steps, but the H6 error code continues to appear, it's essential to contact a qualified HVAC technician. The problem could involve more complex issues that require professional diagnosis. Common complex causes include a faulty control board, a damaged motor that needs replacement, or integration problems in multi-zone mini-split systems. HVAC professionals possess the specialized tools and expertise needed to accurately identify and safely resolve these advanced issues. They can inspect components like the circuit board and motor assembly using diagnostic tools such as multimeters to test electrical systems. Prevention is key to avoiding future H6 errors in Lennox mini-split systems. Following a regular maintenance checklist can significantly reduce the risk of indoor fan motor failures. One of the most important preventive steps is regularly cleaning or replacing air filters. Clogged filters restrict airflow, causing the indoor fan motor to work harder and potentially triggering H6 errors. Follow these steps to maintain clean filters. Schedule annual maintenance inspections by a qualified technician. These checkups should include examining wiring connections, motor components, and overall system performance to catch potential issues before they cause H6 errors. In coastal areas where salt air can accelerate corrosion, consider applying anti-corrosive coatings to the motor sensor. This protective layer helps prevent sensor degradation that could lead to H6 errors. For smart Lennox units, keep the firmware updated to benefit from the latest self-diagnostic algorithms and improvements. These updates enhance error detection and can prevent many H6 issues through better motor monitoring. Lennox is integrating AI-driven diagnostics into their mini-split systems. Newer models, like the 2025 XC30, feature predictive analytics that can alert users to potential H6 triggers via smartphone apps. This shift towards IoT-enabled HVAC aims to reduce downtime and improve system reliability. Stay updated with the latest firmware to take advantage of these advancements.